A layered security model works by implementing multiple security measures at different layers or levels of a system or network. Each layer of security provides a unique form of protection. And attackers must bypass multiple layers to gain access to sensitive information or systems. Here's how a layered security model typically works. Here is a short introduction. We will discuss each layer individually in detail. Physical security. The first layer of security is often physical security measures, such as locks, access control systems, and security cameras. This layer is designed to prevent unauthorized physical access to the facility or data center. Network security. This layer is designed to protect against network-based attacks and prevent unauthorized access to the network through the use of firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and antivirus software. Application security. The third layer of security is application security, which includes measures such as secure coding practices, penetration testing, and vulnerability assessments. This layer is designed to protect against application-level attacks, such as cross-site scripting or SQL injection. Data security. The fourth layer of security is data security, which includes measures such as encryption, access controls, and backup and recovery procedures. This layer is designed to protect against theft and loss of data, or unauthorized access to sensitive information. User education. The final layer of security is user education, which involves educating employees on best security practices, such as strong password management, phishing awareness, and social engineering awareness. This layer is designed to mitigate the risk of human error, which is a major contributing factor to security breaches. By implementing multiple layers of security, an organization can create a more comprehensive and effective security posture. Each layer of security provides a unique form of protection, and attackers must overcome multiple barriers to gain access to sensitive information or systems. This makes it more difficult for attackers to succeed and gives security teams more time to detect and respond to threats. Most importantly, a layered security strategy works by stacking a series of advanced technologies operated by highly trained professionals who follow proper security protocols. In other words, it's the combination of the right people, processes, and technology. Some of these technologies include next-generation antivirus, detection and response systems, and can even have integrated AI tools that help cybersecurity professionals work more efficiently.